Here is how you can see who screenshot your Snapchat story. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can see if anyone has screenshot your Snapchat story. So let's start. First of all, open Snapchat and log into your account. After you open Snapchat, tap on your profile on the top left side of your screen. Then as you scroll below, you will find the story that you have uploaded under My Stories section. Now in order to see the analytics of your story, tap on this I like icon. It will load up your story. Then after, tap on the views section on the bottom left. As you open it, it will show you analytics of all the people that have watched your story as well as the people that have taken the screenshot of your story. You will find the set details on the screen, but since it's a new account, I have not added any friends. However, in your case, you will have all the details available. So in this way, you can easily see who has taken screenshot of your Snapchat story. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.